ceremony, the reconnection to our ancestors that we have brought home with us this day during this journey. All of those who may have wanted to come but never had the opportunity. For those who died on the shores of America, the Caribbean, South America, for those who passed over, who thought that we will never get back home. So we say thank you once again. And once again, thank you just does not seem to be enough. But in your coming, you have brought with you the spirit of those ancestors whose desire was to be here. So we know that they are now here.
Yes.
We have brought them with us. They are here. So we haven't lost anything. We have gained. And we continue to gain. And as we say that each experience that we have in this life is a stepping stone to your further growth and development. So as the Spirit reigns within us, we let our light shine so that others can see what the possibilities can be for us.
Yes, indeed. Ashe.
So today, we get our new names. You know, say just, today we shed the old and we take on the new. And we don't apologize for being who we are. We are proud Africans.
That's right.
And can't nobody stop this. What our brother say, ain't no stopping us now?
That's right.
There ain't no stopping us now.
We're on the move.
We know we are definitely on the move.
Yeah.
And there is absolutely nothing that we cannot do. Ashe?
Ashe.
So, and how about that? She's right on top. Thank you, Irvin. You on top. No, you can get back. Huh? Hold on to that water for me.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. So before we get our new names, once again, in pouring libation, giving thanks and praise to the Almighty Creator, I call out the name of my king man, Nana Okofu Itri Kweku Ababu the First, because without him, I don't know whether I'd be here, or I might be here by myself, because I already told him, listen, you are not coming after with me, I'm leaving, I'm going by myself. But I've been blessed.
Yes.
In that he was with me.
Yes.
So I pour libation. Thank you, Nana.
Ashe.
And to Bongo Shorty, who left the Caribbean, he said, I'm going to Africa. Ashe.
Ashe.
To Elder Amran, who came from Mount Vernon, he said, I'm going to Africa. Ashe.
Ashe.
To Shakesha's mom, Big Mama, she said, I am going to Africa.
Ashe.
And to Auntie Gladys, she said, I'm going to Africa.
Ashe.
To Kofi, Adu's king man, as his wife said, take me to Africa and marry me. Ashe.
Ashe.
We thank him for being an obedient servant. Emmanuel, who invited us, he said, you should come home because you are our children. Ashe.
Ashe.
To Mama Lena Diop, my dear, dear sister, who sacrificed some 20 years of her life to be here in Africa, who was a fighter for African people until she was murdered this year. Ashe.
Ashe.
And to Nzinga, Jana, her sister, who only wanted to live in Africa in peace and in harmony, but who was murdered this year. We say, Ashe.
Ashe.
We will not forget. To Dr. Ben Yohanan, our great teacher of Egyptology, to the genius of African people, we will not forget you. Ashe.
Ashe.
To to Brother Jacob Eshan, who was my husband's linguist, who was with us as we moved into our space. Brother Jacob, Ashe.
Ashe.
To Celise, my darling daughter, who fought cancer for years, who began fighting when she was 6 and finally gave up the ghost at 56. Ashe.
Ashe.
And to all of those ancestors' names that we have not called, whose shoulders we stand upon. Ashe.
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 Ashe. Ashe.